Top 7 Stocks to Buy. With the rise of stock trading apps such as Ali, SoFi, Webull, and Fidelity, stock trading has never been more accessible to the general public. These days, people from all walks of life, both young and old, make millions in the stock market. While there's a lot of success to be gained by trading stock, there can also be a lot of failures. This video tells you about the top 7 stocks to buy to make sure you have a positive stock trading experience. Before we begin, make sure you like and subscribe. We always bring you the most engaging videos to keep you informed and on top of your game. But before we begin, let's have a brief overview of stock trading. Simply put, the stock market refers to a group of markets or exchanges in which individuals with ownership claims in certain companies may buy and sell those claims as stock or shares. A stock is simply a unit of ownership in a company. Companies sell stock to raise money and decrease the risk of doing business. If a company performs well, its overall value increases as well as its stock price. From this explanation, we can see how stock trading works. It's all about buying stocks when they're cheap and selling them when they're more expensive. There are ways of making money in the market without buying or selling. For example, some companies offer quarterly dividends as rewards to their faithful shareholders. So now that you're up to speed, you'll be looking to jump right in and start buying stock. With thousands of companies listed on the stock market, you might get a little overwhelmed. In order to make everything easy for you, we've created a list of 7 of the best performing stocks. Though the stock market is volatile, it's hard to go wrong with these. Number 1. Disney. The American media and entertainment company comes strong off the success of its services and products. It was a tough time for their theme park business since the pandemic, but with everything going back to normal, the cash flow seems to be freed up once again. Additionally, Disney's moves in relation to Marvel, Lucasfilm, and their new streaming service Disney Plus have set them up for further success. Disney stock is certainly worth looking into. Number 2. Alphabet. Alphabet, the parent company of tech giant Google, is one of those stocks that steadily increases in value. The tech giant has diversified its business so well that good performance is almost a guarantee at this point. While there have been some apparent misfires with their innovations, the core business model of information technology systems and solutions remains strong. Also worth looking into. Number 3. Amazon. CEO Jeff Bezos' divorce announcement recently destabilized Amazon stock. Predictably though, the company has managed to stabilize. As the e-commerce company diversifies its business model into tech and software, its value has risen. As a result, Jeff Bezos still holds the title of the richest man in the world. Number 4. Tesla. Though Tesla stock price seems to fluctuate more with CEO Elon Musk's antics on social media than actual performance, time has shown that it's a stock worthy of investment. Stock prices recently plummeted following an announcement that it would be shifting away from Bitcoin, so this can be a great opportunity to grab them while they're cheap. Number 5. Microsoft. Like another famous tech giant founder on this list, Bill Gates recently announced a split from his wife of 27 years, Melinda. While that announcement lowered the company's stock price for a while, things have since stabilized, following assurances from Gates that he and his wife Melinda will remain friends and business partners. Though Bill Gates gave up the mantle of Microsoft CEO a long time ago, he is inextricably linked with the company. It was his visionary business acumen that ensured that the company's stock remains relevant today. Number 6. Facebook. In the world of stock trading, it's hard to go wrong with Facebook. CEO and co-founder Mark Zuckerberg has ensured that social media aside, Facebook has a claim in other business strategies. The company has recently made forays into the world of virtual reality, high-speed internet, and artificial intelligence. Knowing Zuck's reputation, Facebook is here to stay. Number 7. Alibaba. Last but not least on this list is the Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba. Though Alibaba stock has been underperforming following ex-CEO and co-founder Jack Ma's recent negative press, it's a stock worthy of consideration. Recently, the company has been under a lot of pressure from the Chinese government to break up its business model over fears that the tech giant is forming a monopoly. However, if the company manages to come out unscathed, the rewards for its faithful believers will be astounding. When all is said and done, investing is an art and not a science. Though several people may claim to have all the answers, the market can be harsh and unforgiving. The general public has more freedom to trade, but with great power comes even greater responsibility. It wouldn't do well to be overzealous in certain circumstances. One of the biggest strengths of any stock trader is patience. Most people buy and sell in a panic, which makes the market appear more volatile than it actually is. Wealth can be gained overnight, sure, but so can poverty. Either way, the power is in your hands. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you liked this video. Is there a company stock you feel we should have included? It's your prerogative to debate us in the comments as we welcome the opportunity for discussion. Make sure you don't miss the next video. Till then, have a nice day.